How to hide your Snapchat story from anyone. So if you want to hide your Snapchat story from a specific person or anyone on Snapchat, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Snapchat application and make sure to log into your account. I have already logged in, so this interface will be opened up. There are various settings at the right hand side and also at the bottom section. So as the first step, simply tap on your profile at the left upper corner, and here you'll be able to see your profile. At the left hand side of the lower section, you can see there's my story option, and also there's add to my story option. And at the right hand side of add to my story, there is a 3-dotted horizontal line. If you tap over there, you will be able to see story settings. Simply go for story settings, and here who can view my story is displayed. Right now it's for friends only. So you just have to tap over the custom, and here you have to select the person to whom you want to hide the story from. You can select the person like this, and by doing that, block option will be available in the lower section. You just have to tap on the block, and by doing that, those selected friends won't be able to see your Snapchat story, which means you'll be able to hide your Snapchat story from anyone. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.